Hey everyone, Denise here and welcome to my 50 Friendly Fitness channel where we dedicate all our workouts and exercises for beginners and for those who are in my age group, 50 and above. And today's featured video is a 7-minute ab workout. I'm going to tell you straight up, it's another good one. I just got done doing it and I seriously feel it in my abs. So I'm going to turn it over to our workout expert for today. Her name is Joanna Soh. You're going to like this.
Hey guys, welcome back to another workout. Want that subtle ab crack which will make you look good in crop top? Here's a 7-minute ab workout. So there will be 3 circuits. We will repeat each circuit 2 rounds through without stopping. Each workout will be for 30 seconds long and we will move on to the next workout for another 30 seconds without any rest, okay? There will be a 30 seconds rest in between circuits. 3 circuits, only 7 minutes. So, time to get that rock solid ab. Ready for summer. Let's go. Right. Lie down on your mat. The first workout is going to be a V crunch. Lie straight down, okay? Spread your legs apart. What I want you to do is bring your hands together over your shoulders, over your head, and as you crunch up, spread your legs and bring your hands in between your legs, okay? It's going to be a V crunch working on your upper as well as your lower abs. The second workout is going to be a plank rock. Let's go. Crunch up, 30 seconds, point your toes, crunch up, back down, and lift it up, okay? Spread your legs. You will also be working on your outer thighs as well as your obliques. Squeeze it. Whew. And up. Squeeze it. Lift your shoulders off the mat. Okay, keep your legs as straight as possible. Now, get back up into a plank and just rock forward and back, okay? Suck your belly in, tighten your core, rock forward and back. Good. We want to work on your upper, your lower, as well as your obliques. And back into a V crunch, okay? Rock forward and back, on your toes, stay on your toes, forward and back, few more, last one more, and back down into V crunch. Spread your legs up, crunch it up, bring them together, crunch up, together, and up. Beginners, if this is difficult, you can choose to bend your knees. Up, lift your shoulders off the floor. Good. As wide as you can. Nice. Whew. Last few more. One more. And back up. Let's get into plank rock. Okay? Good. Rock forward and back. Keep going. Keep breathing through the workout. All right. Strong plank. Keep your back flat and push into the ground, okay? And we want to move on to the second circuit. You're almost there. Last one, and drop your knees. Now, let's sit down on your butt. For the next circuit, it's going to be a crunchy frog with crisscross scissors, okay? So, start on your butt, stay on your butt. What I want to do is lift both legs up, spread your arms, hug your knees in, spread it out, and hug your knees close in, okay? Simple as that. Beginners, you can drop your heels to the floor, okay? Ready? Let's go. Spread it out, hug your knees in, drop your knees, and hug it in. If not, point your toes, hug it in, find your balance, tighten your core, hug it in, and hug it in, okay? Don't rush the workout. This is not an easy workout, but it will give you strong abs. Hug it in. Hug it in. If you need to, drop your legs. Hug it in. Drop it. Hug it. Drop it. And hug it. Good. And let's lie down. Scissors crisscross, okay? So crisscross. Let's go up. And let's go down. And now let's go back up. Straight legs and back down. Suck your belly in. Okay, tighten it. Do not arch your lower back. Last one, and back into crunchy frog. Get up. Okay, sit on your butt, find your balance. Straight back, hug it in, out, hug, and hug. Good. Spread your arms, nice and controlled. Hug it. Hug. Good. Last few more. Hug. Drop your heels. Hug. And now back down. Scissors crisscross. Let's go. Up. Back up. Straight legs. Point your toes. Keep going. Last one. All right, and we're moving on to the third circuit. All right, okay. For the third circuit, it's going to be LLEGS double pulse switch, okay? All right, so lie down. What I want to do is bring both legs straight forward, lift one leg up as you come up, pulse twice, switch, bring it up, pulse twice, okay? That's it. And the final workout is going to be a mini wiper. Let's go. Up, pulse it, switch, pulse, switch, and pulse. If you want to, keep your legs in the air. Okay, breathe in and out. Bend your knees slightly and back down. All right, so get back up. It's going to be a mini wiper. So just imagine you have something in the middle. What I want to do is cross your leg over, over, and cross it. That's it. So side to side, working on your obliques. Drop it side to side. Nice. Drop it, and drop it. Good. That's it. And now back down. All right, let's go. Pulse, 2, switch. You have the option to drop your legs down onto the floor, okay? Pulse up. Crunch up as high as you can, lifting your shoulders off the floor. Bring it down, up. All right? Bring it up, crunch it up. Last one more, and come back up. This is your final workout, okay? Let's go. Crossover, drop it, mini wipers. Drop it, and cross. Good. Bend your knees slightly, cross it over. Imagine you're drawing a rainbow. Cross it, tap gently. One more on each side. Drop it, and rest it out. Okay, well done. So that was a really quick 7-minute ab workout, okay? Do it consistently. If you want to, you can repeat each circuit 3 times. Remember, combine this workout with total body workouts. You have to do your total body cardio and you have to do your total body strength training as well.